Hello, 345 students. It's essential during week 1 that you get ImageJ up and running properly. So you should have on your desktop a shortcut to it. You double click it and this floating window appears. If you go to plugins, you should double check that all of my custom plugins are appearing here. And that's because these are in the ImageJ plugins folder. So we need those essentially to be there. Also in File, if you go to File, Open Samples, we can open a sample or two from the internet. For example, we can open blobs, which is a grayscale image, not a black and white image, a grayscale image, 266 by 254 pixels. An 8-bit image, we'll talk about that later, and a file size of about 64 kilobytes. We can open up another sample, open up clown. Try this yourself now. Open up the clown image, which is 320 by 200 pixels in size. It's an RGB, that is a red, green, blue color image, and its file size is about 250 kilobytes. You should also go to File, Open, and this will direct you to your own images, which should now be in a file in ImageJ called Images for 345. And you should have here all the images picked out individually from the Files folder on Canvas. And you want to go open Canvas, get into Files, click on the 3 dots on the right-hand side and download these images and more of them into a directory called Images for 345 so that we can get access to all of these images when we want them. So they should be in File, Open, and you look in. If you're not pointed to Images for 345, then you need to point to them. They're in ImageJ, Images for 345. Inside that, there's another directory which you'll find on Canvas files called 345 images, and we can click on that and get this set of images here, including the famous Lena image, which has been used as a standard for many years in image processing. There's Lena 256 by 256, an 8-bit image, that is, each pixel is made of 8 bits. And if we look in here in Open, again in Open 345, we can see the color version of Lena, a larger file, 512 by 512, in color, RGB color. And this is where I want you to be sure you could do all of those things by week 1.